Okay, how do you join LiveGood? It's pretty darn simple. All you got to do is click the link below this video and just go ahead and put your username, password. If you need to, watch the 6-minute free tour again by Ben, our CEO. And from there, if you want to order some products, you can. You don't have to, remember. $9.95 a month is the membership. It's super cheap. And of course, if you want to be an affiliate, it's only 40 bucks one time. There's no auto pay. Remember, you don't have to buy any product. It's just, if you like the products, use them. And I'll tell you, if you got 90 days, if you use those darn things and you don't like them after a month, 2 months, if it's like day number 87, go ahead and just contact support@livegood.com, send your product back, and you'll get a full refund. So you can't go wrong. I think you're going to have a good time with this company. I'm glad you want to join. And like I said, just go to the link below this video, click it, and I think everything is pretty self-explanatory. And that's it. So anyway, guys, thanks a ton for watching my video and welcome aboard LiveGood. I think you're going to have a good time. All right, take care.